many, many years, I've found myself in factories all around the world, and there's often racks of material, wood, metal, plastic and glass, and they're straight and rigid, and I've always kind of thought they look a little bit too strict. And I remember looking at glass one afternoon thinking, wouldn't it be just wonderful to relieve that pressure, that stress in the glass and move it? That was the beginning of this show. This project has been a kind of a voyage into the unknown for me, because I have heated up materials in the past, but never to this kind of temperature. The choice of reshaping glass is a very complicated one, which I didn't really know was going to be such a journey, and that's why it's taken many, many years for this to kind of become a real body of work. Once we had the fire, the heat, it was about what can we start to introduce underneath this flat piece of glass, and metal was an obvious choice. It was wonderful to go and pick up chunks of raw metal patinated by the weather and let glass move over the surfaces. So we have tubes, we have blocks. We've got two pieces, one that's really kind of fiery patination on one side of the room, and then it looks at the other end at this perfect mirror polished stainless steel, and they talk to each other. I mean, this is how I see it. You know, I see that these pieces are kind of connected in materiality. I think the piece that I really enjoyed was when we started to look for the rocks, because, you know, it's easy to use the word a one-off, but there's something about a selection of a rock that it's an impossibility to have the same one twice. And I like that, and especially in this environment, which we're trying to create very special pieces that you can't find anywhere else. There is this sense that it's effortless, which is quite interesting for me, because the idea was effortless. The middle bit was research, technology, collaboration, intense, and then the result is as effortless as the beginning. It's calming for me, you know. It's exactly the point of the show. These pieces of glass are meant to look as though they've moved, but they've stopped, and it's that stillness. That's what I'm trying to convey in this body of work.